get a close-up of your best side. And one over here for you. Look at that beautiful nose. Look at that beautiful nose. Hi, sweetheart. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm going to put these in here.
Hi.
There you go.
Thing's size of dead.
Much bigger than that. All gone, guys. Look at
Go
him
stand
smiling.
Go stand next to the pig.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Yeah. Hi, darlings. I know.
Wave goodbye.